What is Ouino? Ouino Guide, an introduction. We've created this YouTube channel back in 2010, and it has come to our attention that a lot of subscribers didn't really know what Ouino was and what we really do. We thought that it would be helpful to make a video series on our learning philosophy and to show our users and subscribers how Ouino can be used as their core language learning method. We're a small family of language enthusiasts, and we love to write articles and make videos on language learning. We provide lots of tips and show different methods to learn languages in lots of different ways. Chances are, if you have a question about language learning, we've answered it on our blog and YouTube channel. But Ouino is also a complete language learning method in the form of a computer program and mobile app. It contains over 400 lessons, over 1,000 exercises, and 60 short stories. Ouino uses a unique approach to language learning, and we'll tell you all about it in this video series. So, how can you use Ouino as your core language learning method? First, we need to explain what we mean by a core method. We believe that in order to be successful in language learning, you must find a good core learning method and numerous external sources. A core method is something that you follow in order to properly learn sentence structure, pronunciation, conjugation, vocabulary, etc. External sources is what you use to reinforce everything learned in your core method and make you fall in love with the language, like watching movies, reading books, talking to native speakers, etc. How to choose a core learning method? A lot of people have seen great results using Ouino as their core method. Obviously, it's hard for us to be objective here, but make sure to do some research and understand how the core method you're using will benefit you in the long run. The goal should be to find a core method that'll give you the highest chances of success, right? Remember that having one well-organized core learning method will save you a lot of time and it'll make the process more enjoyable. Ouino is a complete core method, and it'll bring you to a point where all you need is external sources. You'll gain knowledge of hundreds of verbs, learn how to conjugate in 11 verb tenses and moods, learn enough grammar to shape virtually any sentence, discover a massive amount of vocabulary, develop conversation skills, and get a proper pronunciation. Ouino will also help you practice all 4 skills of languages: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Everything you need is in one place. We've realized that most of our users weren't using all of Ouino's features to their full potential, so we thought that this video series could be very helpful. It will show you exactly how to use Ouino as your core method and how to get the most out of our program. In the next video, we'll talk about one of the most distinctive aspects of Ouino, the learning path. Stay tuned.